Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download font files from Adobe Fonts. All right, so let's begin with the video. To download and use fonts from Adobe Fonts, start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer. If you don't already have it, you'll need to subscribe to an Adobe plan to access Creative Cloud and Adobe Fonts. Once you're inside the app, go to the Fonts section at the left side of the screen. Here, click on Browse More Fonts, which will take you to the Adobe Fonts library. From there, you can explore a wide range of fonts. Each font you see is usually part of a font family, meaning it includes multiple styles like regular, bold, italic, and more. Click on any font family to preview it, view all available styles, and test how it looks with different text samples. When you find a font you like, you can either click Add Family to activate all styles in that family, or choose Add Font next to a specific style if you only need one. After activating the font, it will automatically sync with your Creative Cloud account. Next, go back to the Creative Cloud app, and again go to Fonts section. Check your activated fonts. You will see that whole family of the font is added to your app. Here, you'll have the option to install the entire family or individual styles. Once installed, these fonts become available not only in Adobe apps like Photoshop, but also in other programs like Microsoft Word or Excel. To confirm everything is working, you can open any software like Photoshop, and you will see all of your fonts in the Photoshop Fonts section. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download font files from Adobe Fonts. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.